Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Code and Cloud. Today we are going to learn how to create Azure Blob Storage. Let's get started. Okay, before creating a Azure Blob Storage, let's check on the Microsoft official documentation. Go on the Google search Azure Blob Storage. Scroll little down, you will see the introduction to Azure Blob Storage. Scroll down. This is the image we have. For creating a blob storage, first we have to create account, then container, then blob. Blob is nothing, it's a file. Okay, so you can take this reference of the Microsoft official documentation. And before creating any of the resources, this is the one of the important link which we have to check, naming convention, because I have seen most of the data engineer do not follow the standard. It does not look professional. So you always have to refer this Microsoft documentation in terms of naming convention. So I have just searched storage, and you can look the main naming convention. For a storage account, STG navigator data 001. So similar way we are going to follow the main naming convention. Um, you have to log into the Azure portal. In earlier video, I have already created resource group. I'm going to go inside that. We have a create button here. I'm going to click there. Search for the storage account. You will see this icon. You just click there. Create. This page will open. Now you will see there are list of resource groups are already available. So you choose whatever resource group you want to choose. The code and cloud is our resource group. So I'm going to choose this. Follow the standard. I'm saying STG code and cloud 001. I can say dev 001. My resource group is under Central India. So I'm going to choose the same region. Let me open this. You can scroll. Let me scroll down so you can see other region as well. There are a lot of regions are available, so it is as per our requirement what region to be selected. But right now my resource group in Central India, so I'm going to choose the same thing. And the below option, I'm not going to change anything. Performance, redundancy, I don't want geo. It's for testing, so I'm going to choose local redundant storage. It is not going to cost us much. Go to the next page. Let me scroll it down. You can see all the other options. I'm not going to make any changes. I wanted to go a bit slow so that you can see each of the options and you can also Google it and search it. Go to the next, networking, no change. Yeah, we will understand every single options in detail in upcoming videos. But right now, that is not the objective. We need to understand how we are going to create storage account. I'm not going to change anything here. Next, then next. Um, I have already given the tag. This is the tag, so I'm going to name. The tag is already used in previous video for the resource group name. So I'm going to choose the same thing. Go to the next. And it will give us the summary page where you can see what is the subscription, what is the resource group location, and what is the account name. So this is the account name which we have created. Now I'm going to create this. Once you hit on the click, it will take a couple of seconds to initialize the deployment. Just wait for a couple of seconds. Let me close this. You can see the bar here. It's running right now. Just wait for a couple of seconds. So at least you can see the portal, what exactly how it looks like. So this is really important for you guys to see the portal. And my objective is to go a little slow so that you should know every single page. Go to the resource. Okay, you have overview page. So this is the storage account which we have created now. Now as per the documentation, we have created account. Now we have to go for a container, then we'll go for a blob. So come back here. There's the option available containers, add container. I'll say raw, create. The container is created. Now we have to create a directory. Add, I'll say code and cloud. Okay. The directory is created. You can see it is reflected. Now I'm going to upload the blob. Blob is just a file. So any of this file I'll pick. I can override it. If it is already there, I can override it and upload it. Right. So now go back to the storage account. Go to the home. Check the resource group. See, this is the storage account which we have created. The type storage account. And that's a blob storage. We have ADLS storage account as well. We will see in upcoming videos. Container, we can see raw is there, and inside that we have a code and cloud, and the file is there. So this is the way we can create storage account, container, then directory and the blob storage. And we are following this documentation. Yeah, these are the easy steps. I hope you like this video. You understood and you have seen all the different pages. We will go in detail in upcoming videos what those options are, and I'll try to give best of my knowledge. I'll try to put everything in my video so that you can easily understand. I hope you like this. So you have seen how easily we have created Azure Blob Storage. I hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. I'll try to give more detail in upcoming videos. Thank you very much.